In this video, you will learn how to upgrade to Windows 11 for free and what you need to know before you decide to do so. I will also tell you about a great new app available by default on Windows 11 that will forever change the way of using the computer. More on that later. Okay, before we even upgrade to Windows 11, you should know and have an idea of what to expect between the differences of the two versions of Windows 10 and 11. The entire user interface has been mostly redone. Well, let's go ahead and find out how. Starting off with the Start menu, Microsoft did a complete redesign. Pinned apps moved from the right side to the top half, and live titles are now gone and replaced with static icons in the grid. The search bar is now located in the Start menu rather than being part of the taskbar, and so on and so on. The simplified changes might make some users feel like this oversimplification of features results in less features available to them. Apart from the redesigned user interface and more simple look, Windows 11 now comes with a few new different apps like Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft Power Automate Desktop is now built into Windows 11. This means that right out of the box, you will have access to this great app. It will allow you to save countless hours of time by automating repetitive and mundane tasks. It allows you to build your automations quickly with hundreds of drag and drop actions, or even the ability to record your steps and capture everything that you are doing. I have made hundreds of videos on Power Automate Desktop. If you want to get started and learn it, I would suggest you the link that I have included in the description below. Now, let's see how to upgrade. But before we upgrade to Windows 11, you'll probably want to check if your computer is even capable of running Windows 11. To find that out, we'll have to follow and go to the following websites. I've included the link to this website again in the description below. On this website, you will be able to download the PC Health Check app. When you download and run this app, it will tell you if your PC qualifies for Windows 11. Here I have downloaded and opened the PC Health Check app, and looks like my PC qualifies to run Windows 11. If your PC doesn't qualify, don't worry, because you can still get Windows 11. Or you could simply stay on Windows 10, which is not a bad idea at all. Microsoft has stated that they're going to provide support until 2025. However, if you still choose to get Windows 11 and your system doesn't support it, you can always download an ISO file and install it via an ISO file. One thing to keep in mind though is that there have been some applications that have been removed from Windows 11. So if you are using the following applications like Cortana, Desktop Wallpaper, Internet Explorer, and all of these applications on this list right here, in that case, those applications will not be available on Windows 11 and you will have a hard time. Therefore, I would not suggest upgrading to Windows 11. The next thing that you need to do is backup all of your files so that you don't lose anything if something happens during the upgrade to Windows 11. There is a few different ways that you can backup your files. You can backup your files on external drives, on cloud storage, or even on Microsoft OneDrive, which might be the easiest thing to do. To get started with backup, you can just start typing into your Google, into your Windows search for backup, and follow the steps to backup your computer. And now with all of that out of the way, now we can proceed and upgrade to Windows 11. All you have to do is click on your Start menu and start writing Windows Update. This page will pop up, click on it. Now you have to click on Download and Install. This will take probably a couple of hours depending on your internet connections. Once it's downloaded and it has installed, you can go on and install it. Ladies and gentlemen, one major reason to upgrade to Windows 11 is Microsoft Power Automate Desktop that comes by default. However, you can still install it by downloading it from Microsoft website. Therefore, in my opinion, right now, it is not the best idea to move to Microsoft Windows 11, especially because some of the features and some of the customizations that personally I have set up for my Windows are not available on Windows 11. Therefore, I will not be migrating. Thank you so much for watching, and keep an eye out for my new course about automation and citizen development available on Udemy and Skillshare. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.